Want to make $300 a day while you sleep? I'm about to reveal the best side hustle for passive income that can change your financial game for good. Stick with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to start earning without working 24/7. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today I'm going to share with you one of the most exciting and easiest ways to make passive income online. And no, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a sustainable side hustle that can generate you $300 a day, or even more. So let's jump right into it. 1. Understanding passive income. Before I reveal the best side hustle, let's first make sure we're on the same page. Passive income is money you earn without having to actively work for every dollar. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Section 2, the secret to making $300 a day. So, what's the best side hustle that can help you make $300 a day online? The answer is creating and selling digital products. You've probably heard of people making money by selling books, printables, courses, or templates, and that's because it works. Let me break it down for you. Create once, sell over and over. The beauty of digital products is that you only have to create them once, and then you can sell them endlessly. You can sell an ebook, a course, or even printable planners to thousands of people without doing anything extra after that initial creation. That's where the passive part comes in. Low overhead and high profit. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require you to buy inventory or worry about shipping. It's all digital, so once you create it, it's pure profit. You can sell your digital product for anywhere between $10 to $100, or even more, depending on your niche. Flexibility. You can sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website, and all of these platforms have huge audiences already. This makes it easier to get started, and you don't need a ton of money to begin. Section 3, Step-by-Step Guide to Getting Started. Now, let's dive into how you can get started making $300 a day with digital products. Here's your step-by-step guide. Choose your niche. Find something that you're passionate about or that you have expertise in. It could be anything from fitness to productivity, from personal finance to home decor. The key is to choose something with demand. You can even do some research on Google or platforms like Etsy to see what digital products people are buying. Create your digital product. Once you have your niche, it's time to create your product. If you're thinking about an ebook, write a guide that answers a common problem or teaches something valuable. If you want to make printables, use a simple tool like Canva to design calendars, planners. Like I mentioned earlier, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even Shopify are great options to get started. And once your products are selling, you'll have more time to refine and improve your strategy. Section 4, Scaling up to $300 a day. Increase your product range. As you grow, consider adding more products to your shop. If you're selling planners, maybe try adding meal prep guides or fitness trackers. To sum it up, creating and selling digital products is one of the best ways to build a passive income stream. It's affordable, scalable, and, most importantly, something you can do from anywhere. And the best part, you can start today, so what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to build passive income online. And leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear about your digital product ideas or any questions you have. See you in the next one.